a decision which was the outgrowth of my cultural heritage. The heritage so important in determining how we grow and how long we live. I never asked my cousin if he had torn the rock when he left Saba. In 1955, with the Addis flood, I had a similar experience. I would carry 3 donkeys with cargo up to beyond the S, where Commissioner Arthur Ansline would carry them further with his jeep. My last trip would be all the way to Mr. Carl Hassel's store in the windward side. I would be paid 1 guilder for each package, of which 75 cents went to the owners of the donkeys and 25 cents to me. I remember Mr. Carl asked me, "Boy, what are you going to do with all that money?" I too decided at the age of 13 to go to Curacao and get myself an education. I always promised to come back home someday and help to develop the island and its people to a higher standard. So I did not intend to turn a rock. People of Saba look back with pride on what has been accomplished on Saba since the airport was built, this harbor, and electricity supply. Our compliments also go to Mr. Chance, who on November 8th celebrated his 90th birthday. Also, we remember Eric Milton Johnson, who recently made 90 and looks like 60. He was a member of the Island Council and had a hand in trying to build a pier in the area by the old pier. My thanks to Commissioner Bruce Sagers, who reminded me that it was 50 years since this project was completed. He deserves great praise for the work he has been doing to get financing for a tourist harbor in the area called the Black Rocks, and that too will be done. I continue to educate myself so that I can teach others. I save things so that I can share them in the case of events 50 years ago and before this pier was built. I collected several hundred photos of the past. I am happy that these can now be used to show people, young and old, how the situation in Saba used to be and why people decided to turn a rock when they left the island.